Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you really had a nice and good weekend. Tamil Nadu is closed today. Not only today, tomorrow also it is closed because of Pongal festival, right? So anyway, I don't want to disturb you in the weekend. Anyway, strategies are not working. To be honest with you, weekly options are not working at all. It has stopped working. Because lots of noise is there, lots of retailers have jumped into the market. It's really very hard to make money in weekly options. So we'll talk about that in detail. Before that, I would like to show you something about or tell you something about Fingrad. Fingrad is a website where you can learn lots of courses. There are lots of contents when it comes to stock market, investing, mutual funds, trading, technical analysis, option trading. So there are lots of content available in the website, Fingrad website. So I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go and explore yourself, and they have an offer also. You subscribe for a premium plan and you apply a code NY40, you are going to get a 40% discount on their premium plan. So this is a very famous website. In fact, our webinar is also, not our webinar, our courses also is available in Fingrad. So if you want, you can explore the website. I'll leave the link in the description below, right? So this is the website. They have updated their website, and in fact our course is a very famous course and most popular course, advanced most selling course in the Fingrad platform, right? So this is about Fingrad. And coming back to the markets, as I told you, things have stopped working. Whether you go for option selling, I don't know about option buying. I'm not an option buyer. But if you are into option selling, one thing is for sure, that this weekly options have stopped working. And how do you expect the markets, or how do you expect this kind of volatile move? In these kind of volatile moves, how do you expect the market, or how do you expect traders to make money? Emotionally, it is killing us. First problem is that India VIX is very low. In fact, as I talk to you, India VIX is around 15. We have seen levels around 25, right? Even more than 25 we have seen, and we have traded those times, right? But what was very when India VIX was around 25, what we got was that even though India VIX was very high, you got premiums. But what is happening now is India VIX is low, but at the same time you are not getting premiums also. That one thing is the problem, which is creating problem. Today alone, I can tell you, if I show you, I'm sure you would have experienced what happened to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty alone moved more than 1,000 points, two-way, three-way move. It didn't move in one direction. In fact, it moved in two-way, three-way move. Now, I was looking for all over the places, what is the bad news, or what is happening, or is there any macroeconomic data. I was checking the trading economic calendar. I was not able to find a single event. Still, markets were falling like anything, or it was falling like there was no tomorrow. It gapped up. Why it should have it should gap up, right? From 42,300, it gapped up around 42,700, around 400 points gap up, then came all the way to 42,100, then again went back to 42,500, then settled somewhere around 42,160. So it was a very highly volatile markets, making two-way, three-way move in one direction. Bank Nifty was worst, but Nifty was a little better. Nifty was at least moving in one way, one direction, one-way trajectory. It was moving on the downside, but Bank Nifty, if you see, was making two-way move. That was a hell lot of volatility. So people who trade in weekly option find it very difficult, and honestly speaking, like I have stopped playing around with weekly options. It doesn't simply work. You fight, you do everything. Even if you trade, even if one or two trade gives profit, balance 5 or 6 trade is giving in loss only. So end of the day, you are ending up you end up in the loss only. So you'll have to find different way to manage this skill. Main reason is FIAs are not supporting the market. Last 1 week alone, they have sold around 9,605 crores worth of cash provision stocks and cash provision market. Last 2 weeks alone, they have sold for around 17,000 crores. Of course, if you calculate the buy figure and sell figure, it is almost flat. DAs are fighting. It is fight between DAs and FIAs. We are nothing here. We are just feeding them. If you like it or not, we are just feeding them. We are just feeding, giving our money to FIAs and DAs, and this system, whatever system you are seeing, is just passing the money from retail traders to institutions. That is what is happening. No matter what strategy you have, no matter what skills you have, you will not make money in options trading if you trade in weekly options. That is the current scenario here. Whether you like it or not, you have to accept this, or you have to I have to be honest, weekly options are not for retailers. Maybe retailers who is fluffy rich, who is having maybe 5-10 crores of capital, or for some Twitter traders who can make money in Excel, or who can make money in Photoshop, can make money. Other than that, I don't see anyone making money in this market. Very hard to make money in this market. Not only us, even our members who follow us on mentorship program are in loss. In fact, this since we started in April 2022, this is the first month we are posting losses in the sense, still we have 2 more weeks, 1 week, 2 more weeks, this week and next week we have. Still we are kind of in loss only, negative figures only. So that is how the markets are. And Dow Jones is down by 64 points, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is down by 0.5%. Europe is not as bad as US futures. And let me tell you what, right, if the market gaps up tomorrow, I wouldn't surprise. It is not going to be a surprise. Maybe market will gap up tomorrow, who knows, right? We overreact. See, even if Dow Jones is kind of showing some green, we will gap up like 100, 150 points. But even if Dow Jones or US market or global Qs are negative, let me say again, even if it is negative, we are not gapping down. But 100 points, 200 points positive numbers in global Qs or Dow Jones or US market, we are gapping up like hell. Why we have to gap up? Why we have to come down so much? And every rise is being sold into. Last 2 or 3 months, it is a struggle. I thought 42,500 will not be taken out. Bank Nifty 42,500 was also taken. Now only 42,000 is only left. If 42,000 is also taken, we might see maybe 40,000 levels. So that's what is my prediction. And 18,000 is a very damn resistance in Nifty. No matter what, it has been struggling for almost how many? Maybe 1 month, right? 30 or 35 trading session. Bank Nifty cannot move above 18,000. That is thing which is happening here, right? Anyway, be careful. We'll come out with another video tomorrow. Till then, I'll take care. I hope you hedge your position. Make sure you hedge your position. Stay light and be cautious in this market, right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.